The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again, you see? Now, I have no confirmed information as to why this video shows a motor vehicle that keep on blocking a police service vehicle. You see me, I said to you? But it looks interesting, you see me? It looks interesting. That video had been recorded within the place that is known as Halfway Tree, that is within the parish that is known as St. Andrew, that is within the country known as Jamaica. You see me? I have no confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. But however, the video is being talked about on social media, so I presented the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. And you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that had been shown and said in the video as well. Alright? Alright, so I'm going to move on to more videos, viewers and subscribers, alright? And let me know what you think about that video, alright? Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Delomar. Yeah, Delomar. Have you ever heard about Delomar and Renegade? Rdx, you see me? Yeah, Delomar, you see it? Alright, so in this video, Delomar said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he's sending a message to the Prime Minister of Jamaica who goes by the name of Andrew Holness. The things that Delomar said in this video, they are not the views nor the opinions of Dancehall Skilla. I'm presenting this video to you because this video is being talked about on social media. I'm also presenting this video to you so that you can hear some of the things that Delomar said in the video, and you can also let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that he said. Alright? You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yes. Good day, Mr. Andrew Holness. Delomar this. You see me? And I send a message to you personally. You see me? Now, I don't know if you understand what going on in the street because you're there behind a desk and you just assign papers and you just do your duties as a Prime Minister. But one of the biggest duties what you have, see, why we vote for you, is so that you can look out for poor people. See? Now, me a labourer myself, you know. And I never know somebody reach a day when we can say, fuck off labour right. See? And I know say enough other labour writers say that, brother. See? Because you talk about COVID and you talk about protecting the people. See? But what you also have to understand, if you say you protect the people, you say you protect the people. See? Then what you feel like? A COVID alone a keep? Sufferation a keep? Hunger a keep too? And it affect people more than COVID. And you come like you don't understand what's going on. All of them video the way you see with people a lash out and a diss the police them and thing. Because the police them basically, them, you can't to blame them 199 because them a puppet. So them have to do the orders what them get. See? But poor people have to attack them now because at the end of the day, at them are the messenger and we just have to kill the messenger because at the end of the day we can't get to talk to you. See? And come like you now understand because you're there in a desk and I use a pen to sign away and determine how our life run with a pen and paper. See? These are people you deal with, human being. And if you push we are going to push back, brother. See? So you have to understand, you have to find a balance how you can govern the COVID-19 and look out for the people them too, because the people them come first. You say them come first, that's why you do what you do. Because you come first. Well, we don't feel like we come first. Because at the end of the day, you shut down the whole place, and when you shut down the place, you don't have no other plan B, so the people them can still eat food. Brother, you have to understand the people them, brother. See, you're a prime minister because we think say you can do a good job for the country because you give you a good speech. See? And now you have to take that same speech there and put it into play, and you're not doing that, brother. When I say the whole entire map of the country as a green, it means that you convince everybody. You convince everybody to vote for you. See? Now look out for the people them, brother. COVID-19 we understand say, yeah, COVID-19, but we unruly because, and you have to remember, you know, the bad slave them out there Jamaica here. So you know, expect to say, you're going to put we in a bandage and put we in a sufferation and expect you're going to sit down. So remember, you know, the good slave them are the one them where they get you in America. Then the bad one them say, yo, them why they're too bad. Me I go ship them at Haiti and I ship them at Jamaica. So remember, say a bad slave they are deal with. So we are going to lash out anytime we back against the wall. Then, so me I say to you, and not just for myself, me I say for every single blood clot people where I suffer right now. See? Find a way how to get a balance so that we can eat food too. And we can go so boom and then our house and know so we're going to take presented measures to not make we catch COVID-19. But the way how you do it, it's not working. It is not working and it will affect people. All the way you see are going in the streets right now where the people are lashed up and the police, it will get worse. Me not ask you, it's going to get worse. See? So me I make sure I make my first talk now, you know. See? And this is no disrespect to you. This is just me I come from an angry place because I'm in the street to me I'll street youth. See? I'm in the ground every single day. I'm see what people I go through. I might be more fortunate, see, when we can survive. Because we can hustle and we can do this and we can do whatever. See? You have some people who cannot. See? And when you see them rob people, what you think happen? What you think happen? Him feeling pitney and say, Daddy, I'm hungry. Who want to hear them pitney say that? Who? Nobody no want to hear them pitney say that. So what am I do? He might do any means necessary to survive. So may I beg you, please, see? Look out for poor people, brother. See? Find a way to strike a balance. Because what you're doing right now is not working. I thank you. Bye.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. A video that shows a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Delomar. Right? Delomar said some things that gave me the understanding that he said that he's sending a message to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness. Alright? Alright, viewers and subscribers, you can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that he said. You see me? And I would like to encourage each and every one to do the necessary things to protect yourself and others from the COVID-19, and do not do anything to get yourself in trouble with the law. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright, I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers. And the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a female who confronted a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. This video is going to show a female who yelled and shouted at a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. You see me? I do not have any confirmed information as to why this happened. However, this video is being talked about on social media, and I'm presenting this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. And you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. And I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to know that this video is a longer version of a video that I talked about in a previous video that I posted some time ago. This video is not really much longer than the other video that I talked about, you know, but they are the same video. And for those who might not know what I'm talking about, I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click that link will take you to the video that I'm talking about. Alright? Alright, and I'm going to present the video to you now. You can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video. Alright? Hopefully, you might get a better understanding as to what happened by looking at this longer version of the video. Alright? And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me dancehall skill. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright, you can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. You see it? Alright, again, I'm going to say these things. Do the necessary things to protect yourself and others from the COVID-19, and do not do anything to get yourself in trouble with the law. You understand? Me dancehall skill, I only wish the best for each and every one. You understand? So big up on yourself and stay safe. Alright? Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. I'm my name Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.